As some people may have noticed, we issue the 5 Minutes of Fame's CFP, the call for papers, where we say, hey, we're looking for people to come give talks and whatever else, maybe help collaborate. And I got kind of bored of seeing the same thing over again, so we started doing a code at the bottom. So it's kind of gibberish, right? It's actually 2 parts. Anybody figure out what the 2 parts are? Did anybody actually look at this? Okay, so the 2 parts... Okay, so the 2 parts are hex and ASCII. And if you split them apart, you can see the differences very clearly here. And, you know, the little catch line at the bottom. So the first part is the key. And this is really a very simple hex to ASCII transform, where 41 is uppercase A and 61 is lowercase a. And when you unravel that all, it comes between the 6th and 7th of Fibonacci lies the key. Now, many people here are math geeks and are familiar with the Fibonacci series, which is that the next number is the sum of the previous 2. So we get the 3rd digit there is 2, which is 1 plus 1. 3 is 2 plus 1. 5 is equal to 3 plus 1, and so on and so forth. So you get what we call a mathematical series, where you have these values, and each value corresponds to a specific place. So you get the 7th place is 13th, the 9th place is 21. So the key word here is between the 6th and 7th. In other words, we're referring to the places. So between the 6th place and the 7th place of the Fibonacci series, which is 13 minus 8, and the key is 5. So the second part is the doorway. You have the key, which is 5. The doorway, we have this seemingly incoherent globule of text. A transposition cipher is where you take something and literally transpose it. Like I have a person, I move them across the room, I transpose them. A transposition cipher is to change the position of where letters are located. In this case, it means every 5th letter. So you start with the C and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, O. O is the 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the N, and so on. You begin unraveling it, you open the door, and you get the code. Congrats, you have solved a puzzle. Tell Aestetix and we will give you a special prize. Nobody solved it, so there's no special prize. So it's left to the imagination. But you can kind of see what we're thinking based on the intro video. So if you want to try solving the next code, it might be pretty tricky.